Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to customize your startup sequence when the robot's power on. So first, let's go into Configure, Generally, and Startup. In here, you can see that we have a couple of settings here. First, Auto Connect Robot. This is the Connect Disconnect, and you have an Auto Connect here. You can also change the setting here. Auto Power On is where the teach panel will power on if you trigger some digital input and output. So in this case, I just say if my input 00 is high, when the teach panel is power on, then the robot will power on automatically. Next, we have Auto Load Program. So by default, it will just load the program that you saved before, but you can also select a pre-saved program, and then the robot programming tab will load that automatically when you start up the robot. You can also make the robot auto run some program or run the program that you have loaded, and when you trigger some digital input and output. Let's just say digital input 0. If you set it as high, when the robot turns on, it will automatically run the robot that you have loaded. And finally, you can also switch program using different input and output or Modbus signal. Let's just say when ID1, I want to run circle, ID2, I want to run square, and ID3, I want to run triangle. And that's some of the settings that you can tune for changing your startup sequence. Thank you for watching.